Good afternoon. We're on our way to pick up the kiddos.
Using this small car.
Yeah, oh yeah, we're using the car. Kasi Daddy said no more. Isang guhit na lang, mawawala na yung gas.
Fill them up.
Yep. So yun, magtataka yung mga bata yun. Bakit tong car ang ginamit namin? Alright, see you in school. Hi guys!
Alicia gave this watch to me.
What? Let me see that!
Wait, doesn't work.
Say hi!
Hi.
How's school?
Give me the watch.
We're here by, I don't know if I vlogged this before.
By
This is the
Aya Heights.
Aya
Oh,
Heights
there's new stories.
area.
How bad got
Circling to this.
and
It's the stadium.
Stadium.
Stadium. Right now they're having what do you call it? Swap meet or what's the other one today?
Parang,
Stadium.
parang
Every Wednesday.
ukay-ukay. Hindi naman ukay.
Oh, they're selling brand new stuff here, mostly for tourists, souvenirs.
How do you like this now?
So yeah, it's kind of busy. Such an eyesore. There,
Oh, no,
rail. So
We're in Salt Lake.
here's the stadium.
Stadium. Stadium.
Sorry guys.
Yeah.
Stadium. Okay.
Right there.
So there it is.
This
So we're
is
right by the Salt Lake area.
Area.
There, I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a lot of like parang puesto, and they selling different stuff like souvenir stuff, t-shirts, keychains, bags, all that coming from local Hawaii. They also selling like local foods and stuff like that. Oh yeah, this is the stadium. So this one is the Ice Palace. But we're not going there. We're just gonna eat.
We're in Salt Lake.
There's a restaurant right next to it.
Ice skating rink now.
There's Ice Palace, a skating rink. Yeah, we're gonna eat here. We're gonna try something new.
Saan ba yun?
Should be somewhere in here that. So yeah, hopefully we can find where we wanted to eat. Okay. So yeah, this is the Ice Palace.
Saan yun? You wanna park now or?
Park ka na, hanapin na lang natin. Hindi naman malaki to eh. Park lang naman to. So yeah, around the Ice Palace, there's like restaurant, Taco Bell, Jack in the Box. So
Daddy,
we're
put
gonna
the
look
song
sa-
on.
Hindi pala. Yeah, we're here at Yakinoko Familia Buffet. We're eating. Hi, say hi.
Hi. This is
Yakinoko. Yummy.
Watch.
First time naming i-try ito. So, we're gonna eat the Yakinoko barbecue. Sarap! Kain tayo! So, may occasion natin dito. May singgalong arabs. Alright? There you go. Yummy! Hi guys! Kain tayo! Look at what Matthew drawing. Matthew, can you take out your finger?
Huh?
Your hand? There. Nice.
Did you copy something from that or you just think about it?
Oh, I copied something from it because it was in my
Or you
head.
were just like think
But
about
it's
it?
in his head though.
Yeah, in my head. I remember how to look at it.
Makain pa rin kami. Here's the aftermath. Daming foods.
See, colors.
Yogurt pa yung bata dun. How was your yogurt, G?
Aren't there yogurt? Is it sweet?
That's now.
You gotta eat it.
Strawberry.
Taste it. Taste it.
So we're done. We're going home. We're very much full. I don't really like their dessert. They only have yogurt for dessert. Okay lang. Hindi yung timpla nila parang ordinaryong timpla lang. No, Dad, no?
Yeah.
Hindi yung timplang parang gusto mong balik-balikan. So, okay lang. Parang regular ano lang. Yung timpla ng mga ano nila.
That, I gave them
Maybe me
3
6
stars.
or if it's 0 to 10, I'll probably rate them about 6. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, okay lang. Okay lang. Yun lang nasabi, okay lang. What I found on the, ano tawag yan sa kanya? Compartment. I found the picture, me and Christine Hermosa.
Here's that.
I don't know what year is this. Yeah, Christine Hermosa when she came here in Hawaii. I think she's promoting the show Pangako Sa'yo with Jericho Salas or something. I don't remember. Something like that. See, she's pretty. Yeah lang. Let me see.
Then just go back to Camelot and just look around.
Parang nahanapan sa baul. Yeah. She visited here in Hawaii. I think my Filipino community something. I don't remember what occasion, but she came here. And then, yeah, nagtataon naman. Kilala namin yung nagbi-business ng
I'm pressing 9 and 11.
she sponsor. So, sinama niya kami. And then, I didn't expected that Christine is Hermosa is coming.
Do this. Everything you want me to do it.
Ng picture, group picture, and then they
Doing this
have this
with your other finger.
with her.
And then keep doing that.
Tagal
If
na
you see
to.
Bonnie there.
Wala pa
Mara, you
akong-
want to see Jericho?
Yeah!
Okay, now.
Jericho.
Jericho is one of my pinapangarap
I
noon.
know, don't look at the main hall.
Wow, you already have more than Jericho?
Yeah. Ako naman diba guys? Comment. Ano you think of my hobby? Mapo naman diba?
Pagtulog.
Don't worry, you have lots of time. If you keep on.
Siya nga pala guys. Look at my new kicks. I don't usually wear tennis shoes, but I got this on sale. I got lucky. Yan. So I decided to wear this one today. I had this, matagal ko na siyang nabili. Ngayon ko lang sinuot. Kasi I wanna, tag doon, i-try out. There you go. Katatapos na namin mag-gas. Good. Gas in the US are going down and down, so that's a good news. But yung palet is going down too. I think the rate $1 right now is equivalent to
44 peso, yeah?
44 pesos or 43.95. Yesterday.
down?
Yeah, remember yesterday we were at that tax
Yeah.
place and the girl said, oh, it went down
No.
again. She said it's 43.95. Ewan ko lang kung magkano na ngayon.
No, I'm not playing a game that actually.
Sana pag uwi namin, pag bakasyon namin, di naman na sana bumaba ng bumaba. Ganun eh. Okay. Daddy is checking the air tire. So he's putting the air tire for the car. Dito kami sa what's it? What again? Say hi, Rob. We're here. Just buying some groceries. Ito kami sa may groceries. Bili ng mga kailangan. And then, pag may sale na rin, bumibili na rin kami ng mga pasalubong sa Pilipinas. Iniipon kami ng mga ipapasalubong. That's why we seen some sale. Kaya yun. Kumuha na rin kami. Stop, guys. Hey, I thought Daddy was following me.